Hi everyone, I'm Nathan Lambert, and we're going to talk about reward reports for reinforcement learning. This brief introduction of our poster is for the Responsible Decision Making Workshop at ICML. So to start, let's talk about reinforcement learning. On the left here, this figure may have some familiar components and some unfamiliar components. In a reinforcement learning system, there's an agent and an environment. And the notion of control feedback is a translation of a state and a reward to an action. But in reality, the agent interacts with an environment and other environments in a much more nuanced and temporal manner. So to that end, we have coined behavioral and exogenous feedback, where we can understand the ways that a behavior emerges over time and how those behaviors may cause externalized risks with adjacent environments. And reinforcement learning is designed to optimize a single task over these long horizons. And practitioners often don't consider the external effects that the algorithms could have. In order to address this, we propose a new type of documentation, which we call reward reports. And reward reports are based off of model cards and data sheets, and we're proposing an extension for our specific application area. And what this living document will do is to be a place where designers will write down the system details and optimization intent of their systems. But more importantly, they will continue to define how this system will interface with existing institutions, and then how this implementation and evaluation will evolve over time. So let's go to the bottom. The most important part of the reward report is the system maintenance. So this will be a living document where the user updates the content over time in this changelog. And the main points of this content are the institutional interfaces, which is what stakeholders will use this, the implementation, what is the machine learning flow, what is the specific reinforcement learning algorithm implemented, and what is the evaluation? What are metrics that the engineers are optimizing for, and what are some proxy metrics that the users might encounter? So we hope that reward reports become a new standard for deploying these iterative decision-making systems in the real world, where an agent can interface with a domain that is not fully enclosed in one environment, which is the case for any real-world machine learning system. If you're interested, please visit our website at rewardreports.github.io or contact any of the organizers. Thank you.